So this is the Gardenia lawn sweeper, and the reason I got this is because I have a robotic mower and it doesn't pick up the droppings, the clippings. So this is good for grass clippings, and it's also good for weeds. And I'm going to show you some stuff here. These don't get the best reviews online, however, I don't see any issues with this. And depending on the type of grass you have, you could adjust all the settings here and bring it up and down. And then this bag comes off easily, and you could drop the clippings in the garbage or throw them in the woods. But I'll show you here. You can see it picking everything up. And you technically don't have to do this, but I have a dog and it brings all the clippings in when it rains. So pick all this stuff up here. And then I just dump them in the woods in the back of the house. It comes off like this. And I'll just toss it in the back. Clips on very easily. And we're off. Again, if you have a lot of trees, which you could see I don't in my backyard, this is great for picking up leaves. I would say dry leaves are better than wet leaves. I could see that being an issue, and a lot of the reviews talk about that. But you can see all the clips.